my first ever apartment. This is my view. So today is the big day. Me and my family are moving to a bigger place, but most importantly is that I am moving into my own apartment. So a little background story is that we have been looking for a new place for the past 2 months, and we couldn't find anything that suited us, and it was basically nothing that we liked. And I am so happy that we found this place because it's exactly what we're looking for. As I mentioned before, we are moving to a house and I'm gonna have my own place, which will be separated from my family's house. Currently we live in an apartment downtown, and right now we're moving to a bigger house which is a little bit further away from the city center, and I believe that it's gonna be a huge adjustment for all of us. We have started packing already, and let me tell you, I didn't even know I had that much stuff until now. And the whole process of starting to move the boxes to the new house will begin tomorrow when we get our key. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me and show you the whole process of me moving into my first ever apartment. Before we get started with the actual video, I wanted to take a second to share with you some of my favorite jewelry as well as the sponsor of today's video, which is Ana Luisa. Ana Luisa is a sustainable jewelry company and they have the most beautiful pieces ever. The quality is absolutely the best, and these are the only jewelry that I can actually shower with and they will still look as good as new. I have linked every piece that I'm wearing in the description below for you to check out, and don't forget to use my discount code that is shown on the screen. Good morning everyone. So today is a big day. We're getting the key for the new house, and as you can see we have brought some of our stuff that we're gonna move in today. Okay, so the plan for today is to clean the whole house, prepare everything for the big move-in day. This is not gonna be much fun, but we have to do it. So we will see you all inside. So we've got great news. We finally got the keys from the apartment, and this will be my place and that will be my parents. So let's go inside. Okay, so first of all, there is a mess out here. These are not our things. They're gonna be taken away. Now let's go inside. So this is a first overview of the apartment. Yes. So today's Sunday and we have moved some of our things, not everything, because today's main focus is to clean the house because it is very dusty, so we're gonna do that. I don't know if you can see, but the house has absolutely no furniture, which means that we're probably gonna have to make a trip to IKEA and get some. So for now, I think I'm gonna show you an empty house tour, and then we're gonna start with the cleaning process. Okay, so this is the door we came in from, and this is my view. This is like a small balcony window thing. And I have my own fireplace over here. This wall is painted red, but I think I'm gonna repaint it some other color. I'm not sure yet which one, but yes, here it is. I'm gonna have a sofa right here, and then we have some furniture over here that came with the house. There's nothing like this one is empty, fully empty, and here we have some cables and like, I don't know, I prefer to not touch that. Then we have like the shelves and some more things. Oh, that is the door that goes upstairs to my parents' house, and it's probably gonna be locked for a while, but I'm obviously gonna be visiting them. And this way is my kitchen. It is so pretty. I am in love. It is absolutely new, so it hasn't been used at all. And that is my sister outside. Here I'm gonna have a table where I'm gonna have my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I'm not sure what this area is, but there's this light. It's quite small. I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with this, so if you have any ideas, drop them in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Okay, so going back to the living room, I'm gonna show you now my bedroom. So this is the table that came with the house, and I think I'm not gonna keep it. I'm probably gonna throw it away. But here is the entrance for my bedroom. As you can see, I started cleaning already, and this is one of my closets. Obviously, this is closed, so it's like 3 closets, I guess. And this is my favorite part of my room and probably the whole house. This is another closet, and it is a walk-in closet. I am so happy with this. It is beautiful, like. And the view from my bedroom is not the best, but I'm really not complaining because I have this view from my living room. Now, let me show you the bathroom. So here is my bedroom, and this way we go to the bathroom. Okay, here it is. This is the bathroom. There's a sink, a little mirror that came with the house. Yes, and this is the shower. It is also a hammam, so that is really exciting. It's quite big, the shower. Yes. So that was the bathroom. And this is the washer and dryer area. And this way is a little basement storage area. And we're gonna keep some of our stuff that we don't need in the house at the moment. So that was a little empty house tour, and right now I'm gonna get started with the cleaning process because there is a lot of things to cover. Yes, let's get started. So it has been a really long day. We have just finished cleaning. We have been at the house actually since 11 in the morning, and right now it's 5 in the afternoon. So it's time to go home now, and we will see you all the next day. Good morning, everyone. So today is a big day. It is our move-in day, and as you can see, we are all packed and ready to go. The transport truck is here, and we are starting to move all of our things out of the balcony straight to the truck, which you cannot see right now, but it is outside. That's why we have a lot of things to do, so I will see you soon. again. So this is probably day 5 of our moving process, and it has been really crazy, really messy, and as you can see, we have brought all of our stuff here in my living room. Well, all that stuff was brought in yesterday, and I had so many things to do that I absolutely forgot to film. So this is the next morning. Today the plan is to clean everything that's here. Most of the stuff goes to trash because we do not need all of this. And some of the things that I've done yesterday is my room. Let me show you. Okay, so one of the things I wanted to mention is that we don't have ceiling lights, so I came up with the idea to put Christmas lights. This is the bag where I have the whole cables and everything, but you plug this here and they light up. So that's how I was sleeping the whole night. Oh, also, I don't have a big mattress yet. We're getting one next week. So this is the temporary solution. So as you can see, we're not even close to finish. And let me know if you want to see a finished house tour, and I'll do it for you guys.